Scientists know that an animal's movement is linked to its environment. The ability to fly put birds among the most mobile terrestrial animals. Some migratory birds travel long distances between breeding and wintering grounds. My colleagues and I studied 3 insect-eating birds that travel between Europe and Africa: the common cuckoo, the red-backed shrike, and the thrush nightingale. Birds that exploit seasonal environments need to schedule their annual trips properly. New tracking technology enabled us to map the long-distance movements of 38 birds, some for more than a year. We wanted to know what brought each bird species to a specific location. Our data showed the common cuckoo moves to maximize what is called greenness, measured by the density of green vegetation that is seen from the satellites. In other words, the movements of the cuckoo are adapted to bring them to where the ground contains live green vegetation, indicating the availability of bugs to eat. However, red-backed shrikes and thrush nightingales migrate differently, tracking seasonal surplus in greenness. They take into account whether the vegetation in an area is greener than average, indicating the availability of surplus food. Future climate change could potentially disrupt bird migration. The distribution of food resources will probably change significantly by the end of the century. Birds like the red-backed shrike and the thrush nightingale might have more difficulty tracking surplus greenness in the future.